Naka-record ka na, Cindy? Sige. Na. Good day everyone. Today, we are going to present our chosen team, which is the Kadayawan Festival. Before we begin, let me first introduce our group. We are Group 7 from BSIT 3. I am John Michael Bron, the leader of our group. And here are my group members. Pia May Cordova, Andre Hernandez, Kurt Russell Santos, and Cindy Tolentino. Now, before we start, here is the flow of our presentation. Next slide. First is the introduction, a brief background about the Kadayawan Festival. Then, we will present our production process, the step we followed while working on our output. After that, we will discuss our first art form, painting, including the sketch, material used, and the final result. This will be followed by our second art form, dance, the choreography, and final performance. Next is the conclusion, where we will share our insights and learnings. And lastly, the reference used in our presentation. Now, to begin our topic, I will turn it over to Kurt.
So for the introduction, the Kadayawan Festival is the premier festival of Davao City, Mindanao, often described as the mother of all festivals in the region. Its name is derived from the Mandaya word Madayaw, which translates to valuable, good, superior, or beautiful. The festival is essentially an annual Thanksgiving celebration for the gifts of nature, the wealth of culture, and the bountiful harvest that bless the region. It is vibrant and powerful tribute to the city's 11 distinct indigenous tribes, the Lumans, whose tradition and goodwill are the foundation of the Davao City, Davao's identity, making the festival a unique showcase of ethnic unity and cultural preservation. Next, the festival is traditionally celebrated every third week of August, attracting visitors from all over the world. This timing coincides with the harvest season for Davao famous fruits such as the durian and the blooming of exotic flowers. Most notably, the Waling-Waling orchid, the main events which usually fall on the third weekend include the Indak-Indak sa Kadalanan, street dancing competition, and the Pamulak sa Kadayawan, floral float parade. These spectacles transform the city into an explosion of colors, music, and rhythmic movement, celebrating not just the abundant harvest but the thriving community spirit expressed in the city official slogan, "Life is here." So for the production process, let's proceed to Mr. Andre Hernandez.
Thank you, Kurt. Our group collaborated to make painting and dance to express the theme of the Dayaon Festival. The entire process from planning to final output was managed safely using intense physical production, days, and online coordination. The projects began with brainstorming. During the first week of October 2025, the group used online meeting to discuss the theme and finalize the two art forms, painting and dance, materials actuation. The following initial sketch and team distributed tasks and acquired necessary materials including one full illustration board and oil pastel. Painting exclusion. October 20 to 21, the team agreed to meet up at our group mate's house, Kurt Russell Santos and Andre Hernandez, to execute the core artwork, which focused on the four symbol of Davao. The team divided the work between writing, drawing, outlining, coloring, and shading, and materials equations to finish the painting in 2 days. Dance performance, October 29. The group finalized the choreographer and performed for the Kadayawan inspired dance, symbolized joy, thanksgiving, and unity. To truly understand and honor the meaning of Kadayawan, our group conducted an in-depth study of this cultural and natural symbol. Our project was designed to be a tangible expression of this research throughout two distinct art forms, painting and dance. Over course of our production phase in the October, we created a visual arts piece reflecting the symbol of Davao and choreographed a performance embodying the festival spirit of joy and unity. The following presentation will now detail our creating processes process showcase this art form and conclude with deeply appreciation we gain from the culture of Davao City. Next, to explain our first art form, I will present presentation to Cindy Tolentino.
Thank you, Andre. Art form painting. For our first art form, we chose painting inspired by the Kadayawan Festival. Painting is a visual art form that expresses ideas, emotions, and culture through colors and shapes in our Kadayawan artwork. We use painting to symbolize gratitude, life, and celebration. We started by sketching the main elements that represent the festival, such as the vibrant flowers, cultural patterns, and the symbolic smile that shows the happiness and gratitude of the people of the Davao. Next slide. For the materials, we use all pastel, illustration board, pencil and eraser, cotton and cotton buds, and ruler and sharpener. Here is the final painting. It reflects the culture, unity, and celebration of life in the Kadayawan Festival. The color symbolizes joy and gratitude, which are the main themes of the festival. For our second art form, I will now pass the presentation to Bea Cordova.
Thank you, Cindy. Dance is a performing art that expresses stories and emotions through movement and rhythm. In the Kadayawan Festival, dance represents joy, thanksgiving, and unity among Dabao's tribes and people. We created a choreography inspired by festival street dances during Kadayawan. The movements highlight energy, celebration, and unity, which are seen in actual festival performances. We also recorded our dance performance and submitted it through a YouTube link provided to Ma'am. This dance allowed us to experience the spirit of Kadayawan not just through visuals, but also through movement and rhythm. To conclude our presentation, I'll now return the discussion to John Michael Brown.
Next slide. Thank you, Bea. For our conclusion, the Kadayawan Festival is more than just a celebration. It is an annual act of deep gratitude for the blessings of life, nature, and cultural diversity in Davao City. It serves as the powerful reminder of the importance of the land, the abundance of the harvest, and the unity of the 11 indigenous tribes. Through our project, Group 7 sought to embody this spirit directly through art. Our Kadayawan team painting visually captured the essence of Davao by depicting its four key symbols, Mount Apo, the Philippine Eagle, Durian, and Waling Waling. Simultaneously, our group performance served as a dynamic expression of the joy, thanksgiving, and cultural harmony that define the festival and successfully executing both the visual and performing arts. We hope to have not only understood the meaning of Madayaw, or good or beautiful, but to have actively demonstrated the enduring pride and heritage of the Kadayawan Festival. Next slide. And here are references for used throughout the presentation. That's it. Thank you for listening, and we hope you learn and enjoy our presentation. Good day, everyone. Thank you. Ayan, okay na?